Alright, what's good YouTube? Back with another video. Alright, in today's video, I'm finna show you how to download Photoshop. Alright, first thing you wanna do is click the link in the description, right? Click that boy, download the file. It's gonna take a few seconds. While it's downloading, you wanna right click on your background, create a new folder, right? Should be downloading. Once it downloads, I'll be right back. Alright, so it finished downloading, right? So you wanna drag this. You wanna drag this and put it into the folder, right? You open the folder. You wanna extract here, extract the file here. Come do that. Alright, click on Photoshop, open it. Open the serial thing first, right? Open the serial thing, copy this key, copy the key, close it, open up Photoshop, the actual thing, open. There's gonna be a notification that pops up, press yes. Okay, next, I accept, next, oh yes, next. Create a desktop icon, next. Paste the key that you just copied from the serial, next. Install. Finish, and there you go. You got Photoshop. I'm gonna open it to make sure it's. Press yes again. This isn't the latest version of Photoshop, but it's still Photoshop. It will still get the job done. See, opens up. And there you go, Photoshop.
I know that you fall in love with me, and it's hard, dog. You should be fighting my love and protecting your heart like a guard, dog. But you know that it's okay. I got your heart, I won't break. I got some more money, I went to the bank. You tryna ride the wave, you can't swim, so he sang. You say you got choppers, you shooting them blanks.